What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yota Xpedition here. I have a real easy one for you today. We're going to be installing a LED third brake light on our 5th gen 4Runner. We have two different options here. We have red and we also have smoked. And we're going to be replacing the clear one that comes from factory on the 5th gen 4Runner. To do this install is really easy. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's a direct plug-in to your 4Runner and you're good to go. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so on the back of your 4Runner, you're going to have two Phillips head screws right here, one on either side of the third brake light. Simply just go ahead and take these screws out. Once those screws are out, the light will just fall right out, and then you'll see the plug behind it. Go ahead, depress the plug, pull it out. All right, so just like that, we have the factory third brake light out of the 4Runner. Now we can go ahead and install our new one from Yota Xpedition. We have two different options, like I said. In this one, we're gonna be installing the red third brake light. And if you look at the back, you have the plug to go right into the factory plug. And then you're also going to have this additional red wire, and this is for a running light option. We're not gonna be installing this wire on this video, but if you want to do so, the wire is there. What you're gonna have to do is run this wire to either your taillights or your license plate lights to grab power, and this will light up as well with your running lights. So since we're not gonna be hooking up the running lights, I'm gonna go ahead and just take these wires, and you can go ahead and just tuck those inside. Then if you ever decide you wanna hook them up, you still have the wire to do so. So go ahead and tuck those in, and then we can go ahead and plug that in. And we can go ahead and reinstall the screws. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap this one up. This is an install that pretty much anyone can do, even if you don't know how to work on cars. And if you wanna grab one of these, they're available on yotaxpedition.com. Our link is right down in the description and take you right to the product page. If you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below and we'd be glad to answer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.